All right, so welcome back to the JVICE laboratories. Today we've shown you the 12 kilonewton connection kit. So now we're going to show you our 6 kilonewton pile connection system as well. So for this, we have our JVICE PC80s, which go on one side of each side of the pile. And then we have our JV PC40s, which will sit just on one side of the joist connecting to the bearer. Nothing fancy, just a lot faster. And to show you one of our tricks, we've also got this nice little feature on the JV PC80. This little tooth will allow you to place it, hit it with a hammer, sits in place, not going to spin and cut you, you can just drill it off. So we'll have Steve, our product engineer, he'll put this together for us and we'll take you through the whole system. So again, placing that and nailing it with the hammer. Steve's now hands-free to just screw that off, not having to worry if it's going to fall off on him. So Steve's put those on now, so now he's onto the top here and he'll be putting on the JV PC40s. These go opposite corresponding sides of the joist, so they face each other, so make sure you're doing it as per the technical specifications. Done. So voila, Steve smashed that out in record time, and as you can see, the 6kN kit, just like the 12kN kit, it's nothing fancy, it's just a lot faster. So we won't keep you too long, but if you want to find out more about the product, you can message us direct online, find out more through our websites or social media channels. Thanks for tuning in.